Okay, next class about object reference point, align and distribute objects. Okay, in Adobe InDesign, today's class is about a reference point and align and distribute objects. So let us check what is that. I'll take new file document. Yeah, I'll take A4 size, create. Okay, first we have to understand what is a reference point for the objects. Suppose take any rectangle tool here. This is the box I created, and fill any color. For understanding purpose, I'm using this bright color. Okay, for any objects we have a reference point. So a reference point is, see there in the corner it is showing, left corner it is showing. In default, suppose it is showing here, you can change anywhere on the box, right? So for timing I'm using these reference points here. Okay, so select this point, and this width and height is showing 2.24 inches and something. Yeah, let us try this with 3 and 4. Yeah, for understanding purpose, right? So what will happen if I add some extra point or reduce some points from the actual size? So width, actually this is width and this is height, right? So width I'm adding suppose plus 2. Okay, so because this reference point is showing in middle, for the width the both sides it can extend, right? So I'm entering on keyboard. Now see, width added but height is same, so I'll add here. I'm using minus here, shift, suppose minus here, suppose, yeah, minus 3 I'm using here, minus 3 where I'm using for height, right? So I'm giving enter. Now see, the height has been changed. Okay, using Control Z. The same way, if you use this reference point for the right side here, the right, the middle, and the left, right side, and here it is middle, it is top middle, and here is bottom middle, and these are the corners, right? So right now I'm using right side. Okay, right middle point, there I'm using for width I'm changing minus 2 only for the width, and see this point is here, so that means here this won't change. This point is not changing, any changes are not happening from this side, so only this side this will reduce to minus 2. So I'm giving enter. Now see, this is reduced, not the other side. The same way here, height I'm using. Now I'm fixing this point there, so there won't change here, no changes will happen here because I fixed that point here for the height, and here I'm adding suppose minus 1 I'm using, giving enter. Now see, these are the reference point. This will apply even for the images, right? Images, and for the shapes you can apply. This is all about a reference points. Okay, keep this side, keep this in center for time being. Now we have to understand about uh, alignment. So in Photoshop or Illustrator or InDesign, anyway, the alignments are there, right? Sometimes you have to align objects as per your requirement. So for that, what you do, so this is my page actually. This is my page actually. So I have to align this to my page, or otherwise, see here we have options: align to selection, align to margins, align to page, align to spread. So align to selection. Okay, suppose here I am using align to selection. Okay, but here there is no selections are there, so I can draw one selection. Here I am using 6 by 6. Say okay, this is my selection. And right now I am using this one to align selection. Yeah, see, it is aligning to a selection, and it is right side, and this is right side, and this is left side, and this is top, aligned to top edges, the bottom, and this is a center, right? So this is aligned into selection. Okay, now what we'll do, here we change options here. Align to margins. Align to margins. We use this color one. Align to margins. See, margins. See, align to left edge margins, and here the bottom edge is margins. There is a margins. The margins and center, and here it is that corner. Align top edges, and here this is a right side, and here it is align horizontal center. Okay, so this is for align margins. Align to page. The page here we are using, so that means this is the page. I am using align to page, and click here and come here. See, this is the page, and now again align to bottom edges, and here it is a center, and here align to edges again. Okay, and here it is aligned to right edges, and here it is aligned to horizontal edges, right? So these are okay. Then the next one is align to spread. Sometimes we use 2 pages multi-page document. In that case, suppose I'll take new document. Here I'm using 3 pages, facing pages. So create this one. Yeah, this is here. This is my document. Okay, here what I'll do, I'll create 6 by 6 again here. The width I'll take 8. Say okay, and I'll change this to align to page. Okay, and I'll make it a center. Not center. Here I want to use align to spread. Actually this is spread. Spread page means, suppose in a magazine we have a right page and left page. So this is called what? A spread of the page, right? So I have to change this to align spread and give this option here. And now see, it is aligned to spread. If you want, you can fill color here, then you'll understand. Yeah, middle of the page. This is left side and the right side. The center spread it is, right? So you can change to any side. These are very helpful in making documents proper alignments. Okay, come back to align to place. Okay, next here there is one object, a fill color here. Okay, I'll duplicate this one and a fill color, and I'll duplicate this one, a fill color, and duplicate this one and a fill color. Okay, these are the objects. Okay, so select all objects. When you select all objects, more than one, with one object is not showing your the distribution of the objects. So more than one, that means at least two objects. If you select, then here in the properties panel below the alignments there is a distribute and objects. Yes, it is distribute top edges, top edges. See, top edges to this pace. Okay, and now check this one, these two, and again come here, distribute a vertical center. So this is a vertical center, and here distribute bottom edges. Select this and distribute a vertical center. Suppose this is a vertically centered. Okay, and select these two, and here now distribute the bottom edges. It's already the bottom side, and here see this one, distribute horizontal centers, horizontally a center, and here distribute right edges, distribute right edges. And then select these two objects and use the distributes right edges. Right side objects are aligned. And select all and use other distribute left edges, or otherwise horizontal centers, right? So distribute bottom edges. So bottom edges, and here use the distribute vertical centers, and this is distribute top edges, right? So you can change the alignment, then you will understand. Select all. Now use this option, distribute vertical center, and select all again. Yes, align these, right? So these are all align and distribute objects in Adobe InDesign. Okay, so today we covered about the reference points and align and distribution of the objects.